Hi, today we're here with Anupriya from India. Anupriya is doing her PhD in Transportation Engineering from Imperial College London, and she was a Commonwealth Scholar. Thanks for taking out the time to talk to us today, Anupriya.
Thank you, Vincy, for having me.
So, tell us a little more about your life before you came to London.
Before coming to London, I did my undergraduate in civil engineering from IIT Roorkee. And after that, I worked in a company called Coal India. So basically, it's a semi-government company in India, and I was mostly involved in a, an initiative by the Indian government called Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, where my company was involved in building 35,000 toilets across India in rural districts.
So, from that to now a PhD, what was that jump like, and why Imperial?
Yeah. After working for a while, I realized that I wanted to specialize more in transportation engineering. So I got the Commonwealth scholarship and I came to Imperial to do my masters. And after I completed my masters, I wanted to study more. I wanted to specialize in the public transportation area. So I chose to do a PhD, and Imperial College was itself one of the best places where I could have done a PhD in, which is like focused on public transportation, because the research group I'm working with presently, it's one of the best public transportation research groups across the world.
Okay, all right. So, could you tell us a little more about your research?
Yeah, so my research is basically on the costs of transportation in cities to develop models that can guide governments about whether it's more productive to spend on public transportation or private transportation systems given a particular size of a city and its population.
Wow, wow, that sounds like research with a lot of potential.
Hopefully.
You've been at the house, the Victoria League house, for a number of years now, so you're quite the veteran at the house. What do you think are your fondest memories from the house and your time in London?
Yeah, life in Victoria League House has been both fun filled and like very fulfilling as well. Like, I remember during the first year of my stay, I organized a Diwali party, and that party was attended by almost all the residents in the house and the house managers, Laura and Doreen, and everyone enjoyed a lot. Following which, I received the Queen's Patron Fund Award for promoting friendship in the house.
Oh,
So that is like one of the fondest memories I have, because following that award, I got to attend the summer party at the Buckingham Palace, and yeah, that was a very nice and like a
very
memory of a
memorable.
lifetime. And professionally as well, I had a very fulfilling time at the house. Like, I, apart from working very well on my research, being at the house, I was also able to collaborate with a couple of residents in the house to organize a fundraising event in India to help families who were in need during the COVID-19 lockdown.
Right, brilliant. So, what lies ahead for you in the future?
So basically, after completing my PhD, I would like to stay in academia for a while and then return back to India and have my own public transportation startup. So right now there has been like a huge push into having more metro systems in India. There has been like investments into almost 50 public transportation systems across the whole of India. And I think with my experience of working with uh, the research group, which is one of the best across the world, I would I could contribute significantly towards improving the current state of metro systems across the country and making public transportation systems better and more sustainable.
Absolutely, sounds really promising.
Yeah.
So, thank you so much for taking out so much time to chat with us today, Anupriya.
Thank you so much.
Would you have a parting message for our viewers, especially engineering students?
Yeah, definitely. Like, I would like to encourage everyone, especially women, to be more creative and um, dream big and live your dreams. And there would be nothing stopping you then.
You heard it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.